When you're injured in a motor vehicle accident, one of the first things that I do as your attorney is I analyze your motor vehicle insurance declaration page. That's the document that tells me what you're covered for. And unfortunately, people will come into me and they won't have the coverage that they need, and it's too late because they've already had the accident. You need to make sure that you have certain coverages in the event of an accident. The most important one in Pennsylvania is that you have full tort coverage. When you get car insurance, you have to make a tort selection. You can either select full tort or you can select limited tort. If you select limited tort, you're limiting your right to recover for damages in the event of a motor vehicle accident unless you're able to show that you've sustained a serious impairment of bodily function. That is a very significant threshold, and many injuries that are sustained as a result of motor vehicle accidents in Pennsylvania do not rise to the level to overcome that threshold. If you select the limited tort option, your savings are approximately 10 to 15% on your policy. That is not worth giving up the significant rights that you're giving up. Make sure that you've selected the full tort option when you get your motor vehicle insurance coverage. Another important coverage to have is uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. In Pennsylvania, particularly in the Philadelphia area, many drivers are not insured. If you are injured as a result of the negligence of one of these drivers and you do not have uninsured motorist coverage, then you will not have an insurance company to compensate you for your pain and suffering. Similarly, many drivers in Pennsylvania are underinsured. The minimum policy requires $15,000 worth of coverage. This may not be enough to sufficiently compensate you for your pain and suffering. It's important to have the right coverage on your policy. I will gladly meet with any client and discuss their insurance policy with them at no charge. Please feel free to contact me and set up an appointment to review your insurance policy to make sure that you are properly covered in the event of a motor vehicle accident.